Amazing headphones for a very affordable price. Great for calls and for listening to music or to your favorite series and movies. They fit my ears very well. The wires are very sturdy. Best purchase I ever made. It is clear and true to the noise cancelling. Plug this in and you're all set. For the price, these are very nice sounding earbuds. The sound is warm with good bass. The passive noise cancelling is okay, as I've heard better, but for the money, it more than does the job. The fact that they feel comfortable and not cheap is an added bonus. Great deal for the price, works perfect on my phone and laptop, highly recommended. Fits inside my ears without pain. Sounds great. These are good earbuds with good sound and bass, and I didn't know the earbuds wires were gonna be long, and I'm happy with it because my old earbuds wires were short and one of the headphones speaker ripped off somehow, and now that I can use these at night without waking up my roommates. Earphones are perfectly fitted in ears as well as the well-coated cord, very slick, which I find suitable for buyers that have a hard time with rough cords, but not this one. The volume buttons work. The microphone is well set and sounds perfect. Overall, I love them. Thank you. For the price, these have got to be the absolute best earbuds you can get. The sound quality is amazing. Earphones have awesome sound quality and much better than I expected. If you are looking for earphones within your budget, these are it. The bass is quite noticeable and doesn't break the sound. Should definitely go for it. The wire texture quality feels decently good, does not seem it will get tangled as easily as the other very cheap earbud wires. The function is great, with the ability like to hit next or previous track with the pause/play button. It feels comfortable for the first few minutes laying down sideways. After few minutes, if I adjust it to stay on my ear, it will start to hurt a bit, but if then I adjust the earbud somewhat in an angle that won't hurt my ear, when laying down sideways with my head and ear against the pillow, it sometimes fall out once I turn my head. Only con I can find is, in a C. Se escuchan muy bien, mejor de lo que esperaba. Looks sturdy. Decent value for money. These earphones are awesome and are designed perfect for your ears. The sound is really good. Click link in description for more reviews.